Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin. We're going to be doing a super quick update. We're going to be checking out some things that a lot of you seem to be worried about. We're also going to be checking out some things that you guys can cash in on. And we're going to be looking at how our account is getting on through the season. So keep watching. Hey guys, RJ here and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in Rollercoin, and like I said, we've got a bit of information that is, well, it is good, but a lot of people seem to be worried about it. And we've also got some other things that you guys can actually cash in on if you haven't seen them already. Okay, so anyway, it's been 1 week since the last time we were in here. And 1 week ago, our H power was at 105,286. You can see we are now at 105,425. And that is basically because I have merged a couple more miners. If we dive in here, so these miners, I've merged a couple more of those to take them from common to uncommon, and that is pretty much it. I think that is what has topped us up to that point. Our bonus power has stayed pretty much the same, and also as well, something that has changed is that right now I am mining RLT 100%. I was mining BTC, which I got my BTC up to around 100,000, and then I started mining RLT 100%, trying to build up that 200 required to get the premium pass to collect all of the rest of the coins. Now this leads me into something that a few people have contacted me about, and that is the extended time that they are giving us in the carnival season, or season 6. Now in Discord we have seen this, that is season 6 carnival extended to December the 14th. But if we dive into Rollercoin, go to the ePass, and we look, and it's still only showing 3 days, 8 hours, 57 minutes remaining in the season. Now a lot of this has basically spiked a lot of people's concern, because some people are worried that basically, one, if they take Rollercoin at its word, but then the season timer suddenly runs out, then they've missed that opportunity to cash in and buy the premium pass to get all the extra miners. But then they're also concerned that if they buy the premium pass now, that they're going to be spending RLT that they don't have to spend, because basically Rollercoin is saying that the carnival should not finish until December the 14th, which means that some people could actually gain a few more levels and therefore bring the price of that season pass down even further. So I have looked into it. I've looked through various forums and Discord, and most people are basically saying one thing, that this does not update. Now I can't really believe that, because surely at the end of the day, the Rollercoin staff just need to update it. They're the ones that need to change it. It's not set in stone. They can just alter that through code. Now the other thing is that has come out is apparently the Rollercoin staff do not work on weekends. That is why it's not been changed. So, you know, it still leaves everybody up in the air. Really, at the end of the day, if they were going to announce it, then they should have changed this the day they announced it. But they haven't, which I personally think is a little bit unprofessional. Some people might say that I'm being too critical, but at the end of the day, if you put out a post saying that something is going to be extended, and then there is a timer on your site that is counting down, then you should have changed that at the same time you made the announcement. That is all I'm saying. I don't think it would have been a massive amount of time to just add that extra few days back onto that timer. You know, obviously I could be wrong. For some weird reason, this timer could be so integrated into how this part of the site works that it's actually more of a change than I'm saying. But I still think that basically the Rollercoin staff could have altered that when they made the announcement. So most people are basically just saying, look, hang out, wait till Monday. So obviously tomorrow is Monday, which would still give us 2 days in which to know which way to go. And that is what I'd basically suggest, is just hang out until Monday, see if the timer changes then. If it doesn't change then at the end of the day, it's up to you to make that decision. I personally, if we look here, I personally will complete level 19 and go into level 20 tomorrow. That will drop me below the 200 RLT anyway. So I'm probably looking to purchase that tomorrow anyway. So, which is a bit disappointing because I really wanted to show you guys me purchasing that. So, but if that counter does change, I might hang out a little longer so I can actually show you guys me purchasing that. And obviously at the same time, what I'm hoping is that we can integrate that with collecting a load of these rewards in the Indonesian Wild Holiday, which we've still got 3 days, 8 hours. Now that is something that's not, I don't believe, going to change. So with the Indonesian Wild Holidays, you still do only have 3 days, 8 hours and 53 minutes. But with the season pass, cross fingers, this should then take us to December the 14th. So we are looking for this timer to change, but the Indonesian Wild Holidays won't change. So obviously I'm bringing you this update today just to try and sort of say what I found out and hopefully clarify and help you a bit with making that decision. Because at the end of the day, really you've got to weigh up what's the worst. Which is worse? Is it worse to lose a few extra RLT, or is it worse to lose all of that power that you could have in your account? But like I say, wait till tomorrow, see if that timer changes first before you make any decision. But what I'm going to do is, if that timer does change, I will probably then make another update for Rollercoin on Tuesday when I would normally post my next video, and hopefully we can buy that premium pass and we can coincide it with picking up some real good rewards through that Indonesian Wild Holidays mini event as well. So watch out for that. Okay, so the other thing that is cool for those of you that have got the RLT, I guess, is if we go into the store and scroll down, basically for Black Friday, I guess for the Black Friday weekend, or I don't know how long they're going to extend it, but there is a lot of discounts on the miners in the store. So for those of you that have got the RLT and want to pick up a cheap miner, here is your opportunity. Obviously as well, we've also got the new crafting offers. Personally, I'm not keen on really any of these apart from this one, but it's a lot in the sense of how much you've got to pay to get the parts. I mean, the craft time price isn't that much, but I think to get these parts, it is going to cost you quite a bit. But out of these, that one does not give you a bonus. I don't believe this one gives you a bonus, but I think this one does. You can check that out in the if you go into the market. So if we look at if we go type Z, here we go. We just want an uncommon type C. So miners, basic, type Z. So if we click on that, so that does give you 1%. So that will give you 1%. If you craft that immediately, it will give you 1%. So that's nice. So if we go back here, I'm fairly certain the paradox one will do as well, but I know I've already checked out the nightshade or whatever it's called, and that does not. So let's just have a quick look. Paradox quantity 3, that will give you a 3% bonus as well. But like I say, the nightshade one will not, and I'll just show you that because I don't want you guys to. Okay, so that's just a basic. So if we can't see, bonus 0. So if you are going to craft any of those miners, either do the type Z, because that's going to give you a 1% bonus, or do the paradox, because that's going to give you a 3% bonus. But this one in the middle, don't bother with it. I know it's it's not a bad terahash, but like I keep saying, if you're going to pick up any of these miners, always go for the slightly older ones, because they will already give you a bonus straight from the off, and you don't have to merge anything to gain a bonus. So that is something that I definitely will push all the time, is always look at the older miners first, because they're just going to give you that bonus power. And also remember, just on a final note, connected with the season, and the reason why I'm bringing to this is I have been asked a few times about this. So one, RST will remain once the season is over. So that is the Rollercoin season token that will remain. And the reason why I know that is because a while back in a blog post, Rollercoin stated that the season store would remain after season 6 finished, and to buy anything from the season store, you have to spend RST. So that means that RST will also remain once the season has finished. Also as well, on another really good note, is that the daily and weekly tasks will also remain after this season has finished. So that means that for you guys that are collecting RST, buying the parts box and all those kind of things, picking up the miners from the season store, all of that will remain after season 6 has finished. So that is a big thumbs up. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there, short and sweet. I hope you found it helpful and informative, and if you can smash that like button, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.